Hi everyone, welcome to Medicine Note YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about HIV, Human Immunodeficiency Virus. HIV, later it leads to AIDS. When the patient is HIV positive, they are not the person who is affected by AIDS, but the HIV later leads to AIDS. HIV is a retrovirus. It is an RNA virus with reverse transcriptase enzyme. This reverse transcriptase enzyme is one which it changes RNA into DNA. When DNA changes into RNA, it is known as transcription. When it is done reverse, this is known as reverse transcription. So, the reverse transcriptase enzyme is used to change RNA into DNA. This DNA, which is produced by this HIV RNA, binds to our DNA and produces RNA as well as proteins. Now, that makes the DNA in the host. Now we are going to see about the morphology of the HIV. This HIV virus is divided into two parts. Now we are going to see about the HIV genes as well as its morphology and the pathogenesis, some of the pathogenesis. In next video, remaining pathogenesis we will see, as well as lab diagnosis and treatment and how to prevent the AIDS. We will see about in the next video. Now we will see about the morphology. Morphology, this HIV, which has a GP120, which is glycoprotein 120, and GP41, which is a pedicle, which is a strand like this, which is GP41, and it has an envelope which is lipid, and it has a core. In this core, it has RNA with the enzyme reverse transcriptase. This is the morphology of the HIV virus. Now we are going to see about the HIV genes and antigen. HIV gene, they are classified as structural gene as well as non-structural gene. In structural gene, GAG gene is core antigen, which is P24, a principal core antigen, and the shell antigen is P18, which is nucleic acid protein. Envelope gene, GP120 as well as GP41 are an envelope gene. This is known as envelope gene because it is present over the envelope. The GP41 is present over the envelope as well as above the GP41, GP120. So these GP120 as well as 41 is present over the envelope. So these proteins are known as, these genes are known as envelope gene. This GP120 is the main receptor of HIV that binds to CD4 molecule on the host. This GP120 receptor binds to the CD4 molecule which is present in the host, and this GP41 helps the fusion of GP120 to the receptor CD4 receptors. This GP41 helps in the process of fusion, and this GP120 is a main receptor which binds to CD4 receptor, CD4 molecule present on the host cell. And a pole gene, which is it is also a structural gene, which is P32, P51 and P66. P51 is reverse transcriptase, which is an important enzyme which changes RNA into DNA. And integrase, P32. Now, non-structural gene. These regulate the viral replication and help in pathogenesis. These helps in the viral replication as well as it helps in pathogenesis, which is TAT, NEF, REV, WIF, VPV, LTR, VPR. TAT, which is trans activating gene, this down and regulates the viral replication. NEF, negative factor gene. REV, regulatory of the virus gene. WIF, viral infectivity factor gene, influences the infectivity of the viral particles. VPV, only in HIV1. LTR, long terminal repeat. VPR, promote region of virus. This HIV antigenic variation is a reverse transcriptase is error prone due to there is antigenic diversity. Hence, HIV evade the host tissue. Vaccination against HIV is more impossible because it is difficult, because always this GP 120 keeps on changing. So the HIV again vaccination is difficult against HIV. HIV serotype are HIV-1, which is MNOP, and HIV-2. Now we will see about the HIV pathogenesis. In this part we will see about the mode of transmission as well as receptor attachment. In next part of the video we will see about the replication as well as some of the most important HIV pathogenesis. Mode of transmission. This is risk of transmission is due to blood route transfusion, which is 90 to 95%. Parent to child is 20 to 40%. Sexual intercourse is 0.1 to 1%. In vaginal sex, which leads to 0.05 to 0.1. Anal sex is 0.65 to 0.5. Oral sex is 0.05 to 0.1. 0.005 to 0.1. In injection or drug abuse, which is 0.5 to 1%. These are the risk of the transmission, as well as needle stick exposure is 0.3%. These are the mode of transmission and these are the risk of the transmission. How risk is? But in India, the mostly it is due to sexual intercourse. But in all over the world, the blood transfusion is the most important case, which is 90 to 95% of the risk is transmission. Receptor attachment. Main receptor is CD4, bind to helper T cells, monocyte, macrophage, and Langerhans cell, astrocyte, keratinocyte, and glial cell. And the second co-receptor is entry of the virus into the host cell. This is the help of the CD4 receptor attached this CXCR4, which is the co-receptor on T lymphocyte, and CCR5 present on the cell macrophage. Dendritic or DC sign. Dendritic cell or specific lactin receptor present in skin and mucosal surface. HIV but won't enter these cells. These cells helps in the transport of the virus to lymphoid organs. Now in next video we will see about the replication. As of now I am completing this video. Thank you. For more videos please do like, share and subscribe.